Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad with eggs using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 or 3 hard-boiled eggs, about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Make sure to drain your tuna very well to avoid a watery consistency. This quick and delicious recipe is perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying snack. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the main components. Open your can of tuna and drain it completely, pressing out any excess liquid. Then, flake the tuna into a medium bowl using a fork. Next, carefully peel your hard-boiled eggs and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. Add these chopped eggs to the bowl with the flaked tuna. This combination forms the delicious base of our salad. It's time to bring all the flavors together. Add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to your tuna and egg mixture. You can adjust this amount based on how creamy you like your salad. Now, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to add a pinch of paprika, a dash of mustard, or some finely chopped celery for extra flavor and crunch. Gently fold everything together until it's evenly coated and creamy. Your delicious tuna egg salad is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it right away, or for an even better flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This salad is incredibly versatile. Try it spread on crisp crackers, piled high on toasted bread, tucked into fresh lettuce wraps, or as a classic sandwich filling. Store any remaining salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your easy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.